We really are getting the piss taken out of us in this country, aren't we? I've known it for a while, but I've got a friend on here called Cam McCleary. He came on my podcast maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago. He's actually now moved out to Thailand. He's a young lad from Birmingham. He's got a really good TikTok channel. You should go and follow him. I'll tag him in this. But he decided to up and leave. I think he's mid-20s, maybe early 20s. He was a fireman, and he's just sick of the way that everything is in this country. Now, he did a video the other day, and his apartment that he's living in Bangkok is £250 a month. Now, you want to see this apartment. It's amazing. There's a gym.
Star Pepe Julian Onziema said, UK is absolutely broken beyond repair. Steph said, 3 bags of shopping before from Tesco, 88 quid. Cried in the car on the way home. Gigi Madre asked, yeah, but can you get work?
Why did you move to Thailand?
I came travelling with my best friend. I was 19 years old. Thailand was the last country that we travelled, and I literally, as soon as I stepped foot into the country, I didn't want to leave.
What was the first reason that made you fall in love?
The Thai people, 100%. I met Thai people, and for me, that was my mind was set on living here, yeah.
And then how quickly from when you travelled to when you moved here?
So I spoke to my mum when I was on CoPP, and I said, Mum, I want to live here forever. And she told me, come back home, save for 5 months, which is doable, and then move out there. So that's exactly what I did. I saved money and then moved back out to Thailand, and I've been here ever since.
No regrets?
No, not at all, not at all.
Life is beautiful, said. I've been thinking about moving to Thailand myself. Elle said, people always seem to be moving here. How do they? What visa? What jobs? BSD Thai people are so special.
So our biggest regret on leaving the UK to come travel in Thailand. I mean, we gave up our jobs, we gave up our rented accommodation, we come to Thailand thinking it's going to be absolutely amazing. Obviously, perfect weather all the time, perfect beaches. I mean, sat here looking at the fish behind me. Our biggest regret would probably be that we didn't do it sooner, because if we did it sooner, we'd have been happier a lot sooner.
Harry Bailey 805. What happens when the money runs out? Toby Straddles. How do you make an income? Linda. I can retire next year. Not got much savings, so what a no for me.
How did we make the jump from the UK to Thailand? Now, that's a question I've been asked a lot on my last video. And to be honest, one day we woke up and just thought, you know what, the UK's not for us no more. So we started selling everything. We sold the business, sold the cars. If anybody is planning on coming over and they need any more information, then drop me a message and I will happily help anybody who's had enough of the UK. So I think that's everything.
Alicia said, I've been to Thailand 4 times and I love it. I would love to, but nothing without a job. Mark Bucko added, the UK is finished and enjoy Thailand. Dezoo, any chance I can come stay with your family for a few weeks?
This is what £325 can get you in Thailand, part 2. If you go to my other video, you can see a house tour. This is just the facilities. Okay, so you have a massive pool, there's places to sit outside, and then there's a kids' playroom, so it's perfect for people who have kids. Then right next to it is a fitness room. There's loads of cardio machines and a couple of dumbbells. They also drive golf carts to get around, so that's pretty cool. And then this is like the communal garden.
Travels with Aisha. This is unreal for only £325. Mini escapes, unbelievable value for money. Dan added, Thailand is unbelievable value for money. Definitely moving to Thailand soon.
This is part 2 of why I left the UK, and I don't think I will ever return. I left the UK about 6 years ago, and now I live in Thailand, and I listed some of the reasons in this video, so go watch, but I'm going to list a few more reasons. So one of them is access to basic services that you need. For example, like last time I was in the UK, I could not get a train anywhere because they were being cancelled left, right and centre, and the trains are just so expensive. Like, why are you paying £50 for a train journey and the train isn't even guaranteed to turn up? And secondly, you can't get a GP appointment. I remember before I left the UK, I needed to see an ENT, so a nose specialist, and the waiting list was going to be a year, and that was 6 years ago. I can't even imagine what the waiting times are like now in the NHS, whereas here I have travel insurance. so I can go to a hospital and get seen instantly. And yeah, I'm paying a little bit out of pocket, but it's worth it because ultimately your health is so important and getting seen by the right people. Another thing is you don't get much for your money in the UK. Inflation has been really bad, wages haven't increased, people can't afford things. So here I'm living in an incredible villa, and what I'm paying for this would get me absolutely barely anything in the UK. Like
Out of France in flip-flops. I left the UK last year and will never return. Neon Decay said, left 17 months ago. Pliny Mom, you don't notice how rubbish the UK is until you live elsewhere. We left 5 years ago. Best decision ever.
So how much does it cost to live comfortably in Thailand? So first of all, if you want a nice one-bedroom apartment with top quality shared facilities like an infinity pool, a gym and workspaces, it will cost you around £500 per month. Next is food. If you're eating out every day, having both Thai and Western food at restaurants, each meal will cost you around £4. 3 meals a day will cost you around £360 a month. Now, if you're comfortable driving a motorbike, this will cost you around £100 a month to rent. But if you just rely on taxis, transportation will be around £200 per month. Your phone contract with unlimited internet will be £10 per month. Nightlife and going out in Thailand is expensive, and you can easily spend £50 on a night out. If you do this once a week, it will cost you £200 per month. A gym membership will be around £30 per month, and you'll spend about £40 on travel insurance. If you like shopping at markets and shopping malls, you'll be looking to spend around £80 per month on that. Then you have other miscellaneous costs like water, toiletries, massages, coffee, snacks, which will cost you around £50 per month. So in total, to live comfortably in Thailand, you'll be spending around £1,470 per month.
Beatstein, £500 a month for rent is so cheap, especially with an infinity pool. Story Planet. For a comfy life just under £1,500, it's really good to be honest. Ethan Palagonia. Bro, my apartment is $3K.
So I just quickly wanted to reply to this one. Genuinely curious, how can you afford to live in Thailand with just random videos and you haven't got 20k followers? I want this life, I'm ready to move. So I don't make any money off social media. I thought moving my family from the UK to Thailand and documenting it, I could get over 10,000 followers and be on the creator fund, but it hasn't happened for me, and that's okay. But as you've seen in my previous videos, I'm a hairdresser, which is prohibited here, and I used to work my butt off in the UK and support myself. So being out here is a dream, but the work situation is really, really tough.
Stell said, you need a job to stay there. F added. I'll follow you as I will support another woman with a better life in another country. Buttons, you should have checked to see if you can work out there before you took your kids out there.
Hey, what's up everybody? So guys, I see it on a daily basis now. More and more people are packing up and leaving the UK and emigrating to Thailand. Can you blame them? The cost of living in this country is absolutely ridiculous. It's going through the roof. I've just gone shopping today and what would normally cost me £20 has cost me 30 quid. You know, it's just gone absolutely berserk. My council tax bill's just come through. The amount that's gone up by is absolutely bizarre. Just absolutely crazy. I mean, I cannot wait to get out of this country.
Claire Burrows 86. Where is all this money going? Dr. Adrian 3. I moved to Bangkok a year ago. I saw this coming. Take care. Robert Barber 650. That's what Brexit did for you.